Ever had your drone die mid-flight in the perfect moment? Let's fix that. Today, we're unlocking the top 5 best power stations for drone charging. Portable, powerful, and drone-ready. Welcome to the channel. All links are in the description, so grab yours while it lasts. Let's power your passion together. The number 5 product on our list is EF EcoFlow River 3 Plus Power Station. Who knew drone downtime could be solved in under 10 milliseconds? The EF EcoFlow River 3 Plus isn't just a power station, it's a game changer in the top 5 best power station for drone charging. With a blazing fast 600-watt base and 1200-watt X-Boost, it charges your drone, camera gear, and essentials with ease. Its ultra-quiet 30-decibel operation and compact design bring peace to the wildest locations. I loved the smart UPS system and the 1-hour AC recharge. It's a true lifesaver on time-sensitive shoots. Compared to others in its class, it offers unmatched expandability with clip-on batteries and solar input that recharges fast. If reliability and smart control matter to you, this one's worth every rupee. Just skip it if you need more than 1200-watt output. Otherwise, it's a near-perfect portable powerhouse. Number 4 is DJI Power 1000 Power Station. Imagine powering your drone, laptop, and even your fridge, all in absolute silence. The DJI Power 1000 brings that fantasy to life and easily earns its spot in the top 5 best power station for drone charging. With an astounding 2200-watt output, it effortlessly handles high-demand gear, making it perfect for content creators, campers, and drone pilots who hate delays. Its ultra-quiet 23-decibel recharge mode is almost surreal. You'll barely notice it running. The dual USB-C ports with 140-watt max each are ideal for charging drones or MacBooks on the go, while the lightning-fast 70-minute recharge gives you more time outdoors and less time waiting. Compared to others, it's heavy-duty yet refined. If you demand serious power with zero noise and fast recharge, this is your smart, peace-of-mind pick. Just avoid it if you're tight on budget. It's premium for a reason. The third one on our list is EF EcoFlow River 2 Pro Power Station. What if you could charge your drone, laptop, and coffee maker all at once in the middle of nowhere? That's the kind of freedom the EF EcoFlow River 2 Pro delivers, making it a standout in the top 5 best power station for drone charging. With up to 1600 watts output and 11 versatile outlets, it powers 80% of your appliances with ease, all while weighing just 17.2 pounds. Drone pilots love how it recharges from 0 to full in just 70 minutes, faster than most batteries charge. Built with a long life PFPO4 battery and advanced safety features, it's the kind of gear you trust when you're off-grid. Compared to bulkier models, it's compact and reliable, giving peace of mind on any shoot or trip. Highly recommended if you want smart, fast, and efficient drone charging without compromise. On number 2 is Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Power Station. Imagine recharging your drone and fridge simultaneously while off-grid. That's exactly what the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Power Station delivers, making it a powerhouse in the top 5 best power station for drone charging. With a 1500-watt output, 3000-watt surge, and a compact 23 8-pound build, it offers serious performance without weighing you down. Drone pilots will especially love the fast 1-hour emergency recharge through the Jackery app and the PD 100-watt USB-C ports for lightning-fast battery top-ups. Whether you're shooting on location or escaping to the wild, its 1,070-watt capacity ensures you're never powerless. Backed by a decade-long battery lifespan and Charge Shield 2 tech, it feels like a smart investment, not just a gadget. And it's ideal for pros needing heavy-duty performance and dependable runtime without compromise. Definitely a trusted workhorse you'll be glad to have. Now, moving to the last one is EF EcoFlow River 2 Power Station. Ever imagined recharging your drone mid-hike in just 1 hour? That's the magic of the EF EcoFlow River 2 Power Station, an absolute game changer in the top 5 best power station for drone charging. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, yet packing a solid 600-watt output. It's built for adventurers who need reliable power without the bulk. Drone pilots, photographers, and content creators will appreciate the peace of mind that comes with 3,000-plus charge cycles and ultra-fast AC and solar recharge options. Whether you're shooting in the wild or prepping for an off-grid project, its multiple ports and safe LFP battery deliver consistent performance. It's not just compact, it's smart, efficient, and surprisingly tough. If portability, speed, and longevity matter to you, this one's tested and trusted for real outdoor reliability and definitely worth every penny For drone lovers who demand speed, reliability, and portability, EF EcoFlow River 2 Power Station clearly stands out as the ultimate winner. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best power station for drone charging. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.